So guys, welcome back once again to this channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make 500 Cedis daily by just watching videos, TikTok videos, and then also watching YouTube videos. So this is a site called Cash Agency. It's an agency which has two agencies. The first agency is the agency which YouTubers and TikTokers who want more views pay for viewers. So to get legit views, this app have created another site which affiliate will join the site, and when you join the site you watch the videos and the YouTube videos of the people who have paid their other site to get videos. So you watching the videos too, they give you a commission for watching the video. So this is just the registering portal you can see here, and then you can find a link in my description. So after that, firstly you can type in your username, maybe Ashotech. Then you have your email address. For me, I won't type my real email address. Okay, let me type my real email address. So I'll go for this one. And then you get your phone number too. So I'm typing my phone number. The country is already Ghana, and then you create a password. So I will go for. So we tap on the register right now. Username already exists. So we will choose a different. So this is the portal, and then this is the amount you pay, 61.49 for the yearly. So you type in your phone number and you proceed to pay 60. They will add a commission of 3 Cedis. So I think 64 Cedis or 63 Cedis. Then after that you are good to go. You just share you get your portal face like this, and then you share your links and then stars for people to join. And then you also have many ways of taking surveys, YouTube, TikTok videos, as I explained earlier, YouTube videos, and then WhatsApp posts. There are many, so you can see that I've already posted on my WhatsApp. So WhatsApp posts. So the number of views, don't make sure it doesn't exceed 100. So this is the number. If I get a number of about 90 views, I just post it on my screenshot this and I post it on my affiliate crashing way. So that's it, money making site that I want to share with you guys. So without wasting my time, you can use the link in my description to join this site. So actually this site is a site that whereby you invest into this, and then you gain by referring people, claim bonuses, spin and win, avatar, survey, watching the YouTube videos. You have a particular picture that they will give you, and then you post on your status. Then when you post on your status, the more views you get, that's the number of amount they will pay you. So I just joined this site. So my friend actually introduced this site to me, so I just joined it, and then to confirm that I literally asked him to send me a withdrawal of him. Then he sent me this. So this is my friend's dashboard. That's the number of draw, affiliate income, 60 Cedis. So you can imagine how much you'll be making a day. 60 Cedis, more than that. And then I asked him to show me his withdrawal, and then he sent me easy watching by just watching videos and more. So you can join with the link in my description. So without wasting my time, I can dash you.
Yo, minianum cash web na I can real for 60 Ghana. What I say? For 60 Cedis, a register account no. We cash out more every day.